Visa for Germany. Vacation, work, or to live in Germany. In this video, we will look at what a visa is, what types of visas there are, and how to apply for a visa to Germany. A visa is an official document issued by the government of a country to legitimize a person who wants to travel, work, or live in that country. In Germany, there are different types of visas depending on the purpose of the visit. If you want to travel to Germany for vacation, you can apply for a Schengen visa. This visa entitles you to stay in Germany and other Schengen countries for up to 90 days in a 6-month period. You must apply for a Schengen visa at the German embassy in your home country or where you live. The application must be filled out completely, and you must show proof that you can pay for your stay and plan to go back to your home country. If you want to come to Germany to work, you will need a work visa. There are two types of work visas, the general work visa and the blue card visa. People who have found a job in Germany that is not in a shortage occupation can get a general work visa. The blue card visa, on the other hand, is for workers who have found a job in a shortage occupation for which there is a need in Germany. To get a work visa, you need to show that you have a job offer and the right knowledge and skills to do the job. If you plan to live in Germany, you will need a long-term residence visa. There are different types of long-stay visas, depending on what the purpose of your stay is. For example, if you have a spouse in Germany, you can apply for a spouse visa. If you want to study in Germany, you will need a student visa. If you want to do an education in Germany, you require an education visa. In order to obtain a long-stay visa, you must apply and provide documents proving that you have sufficient financial means to finance your stay, and that you intend to stay in Germany. If you want to apply for a long-stay visa in Germany, you need to be aware that the process is a bit more extensive than for a Schengen visa. Depending on which visa you require, you will need to provide a variety of documents that support your situation and plans to stay in Germany. One important aspect of applying for a long-stay visa is financial proof. You must prove that you have sufficient financial means to finance your stay in Germany. This may vary depending on the visa type and length of stay, but in general you must be able to support yourself without relying on government assistance. For this, you will need to provide, for example, bank statements, pay slips, or other documents that prove your financial situation. Another critical aspect is the proof that you intend to stay in Germany. This can be done by presenting an employment contract, a real estate purchase, or by registering at a German university. Depending on the visa type, you may also need to prove knowledge of the German language. Visa fees may vary depending on the visa type and length of stay. However, in general, you will have to pay a processing fee that is non-refundable, regardless of whether your application is successful or not. The fee may vary depending on the country in which you submit your application. It is important to note that the visa application process may take some time. Therefore, it is advisable to submit your application as early as possible to ensure that it is processed in a timely manner. When you arrive in Germany, you will first be directed through the immigration office at the airport. Here you will need to present your passport or ID card so that officials can verify your identity and the validity of your visa. If everything is in order, you will be issued an entry permit, which is usually valid for up to 90 days. After the immigration check, you will have to collect your suitcase and go through customs. Here you may have to show declarable items or pay a customs fee. If everything is in order, you can leave the airport and begin your stay in Germany. If you wish to work or live in Germany, you must register with the appropriate authorities within 90 days of your arrival. To do this, you will need to make an appointment at your local Einwohnermeldeamt and present various documents, such as your passport, rental agreement, or employment contracts. The Einwohnermeldeamt will then register you in the German Melderegister and issue you with a Meldebescheinigung. If you wish to work in Germany, you will also need to apply for a tax number and register with the Social Security system. This may vary depending on the nature of your employment and your status as an EU citizen or non-EU citizen. It is advisable to find out about the specific requirements in advance and seek professional help if necessary. However, if you just want to vacation in Germany, you can simply move into your accommodation after entering the country and enjoy the sights and activities the country has to offer.